I was minding my own business looking at new cars that I wanted. And when I finally found something, I came about 99% of the amount short. So I did the one thing that I know that works. Bring in the magic. I wished for a new car, and then this happened. For Princess Elowyn from Amazon. Ha! Oh my god, Amazon got me a car! The magic in the heart really works. I'm so happy. Wow. Great car. It's an off-road remote control car with 2 batteries lasting a total of 60 minutes. It's a 1.16 scale RC buggy for outdoors, for big kids, for small kids, and adults. You want to see me play with it? Stay tuned for the next video and subscribe. I'm gonna have to charge all the batteries right now and get back to you next video. If you want this car yourself, follow the link in the description and get yours from Amazon right now. Subscribe.